Taurus, welcome back to Cosmic Waves for the weekly reading. This is a general reading based on Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. So, watch out the other signs too for the full story of your situation. Remember, time is fluid, so this could be something happen in your past, present, and future. It may not resonate to every one of you, so take whatever it resonates and leave the rest behind. What's coming for you in the upcoming week from 20? So let's see. What is coming for you in the upcoming week from 23rd to 31st of August. Let's start. Tower, Moon in reversed, Death in reversed. Bottom of the deck is Four of Pentacles. So Taurus, I feel like secrets are being revealed. There is something that come out. It's no surprise to you with the Tower here. This is something that was karmic, and that's how you feel about it, that no longer serve you. And you see things very clearly for what they are, and you are not making progress towards them. Whatever this is right here, the Tower, it's like something might come up that's shocking, but it's not really a surprise to you because you already knew it. It is a secret that is going to be revealed. Yes, the Death card in reverse, and it's like it's over. It's been over, so you don't know why it's coming back to you. I will clarify all of them, but definitely this is a situation. The Tower here, a shocking surprise that come to you, but it is not shocking to you because you already knew it that it has come to you. Right? So clarify Tower here. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. So clarify Tower here. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. So the Tower is clarified with Seven of Pentacles. It looks like you have been waiting for this, and it's like you knew it already and patiently waiting for this to happen. It could be 7 days, 7 months, or 7 years ago. The 7 represent. Whatever the case may be, you are a different person now, and you are no longer reflected on a lot of things which was done in your past. You moved on from your past in a relationship situation also. I feel like you are doing some soul searching in the past, and it doesn't seem for you. You were spending so much time to yourself, and anything was not right for you. You cleansing them and getting rid of them. So let's clarify. Moon reversed here. The Moon reversed here, it's look like secrets been exposed. Secrets been exposed here, right? We'll clarify. So what's for Moon here? Eight of Swords. This card also flipped over. We will take it for the extra message. We will see. So Eight of Swords here. I feel like what is the illusion you were? What is the illusion is you? What is the illusion you are is no longer more with you with the Eight of Swords. The Moon reverse, it also illusion. You are in illusion, and You are no longer more with you. With the Eight of Wands here. And you're done with this. Let's see what's this. Yeah, Lovers. This need to let go of an old story, and lovers here, you might be in a new love situation or you have somebody who loves and supports you. You are doing something that you love. Maybe the lovers can speak of a relationship. It can be something that you are doing, that you love to do. This is definitely something that you find to be what's fitting for you. Right, Taurus? You are no longer serving your past hurt or feelings or person, because you are no longer the old one. Because you are no longer the old. You are new here. You are new here. So let's move on to Death in Reverse. So what's for Death in Reverse? I feel like here's the thing, this has been over either for some time or you have been taking time to get over this ending. You are committed to something else, maybe. Okay. Empress, Ace of Pentacles. Look, there is a new potential love or a connection is present to you. Ace of Pentacles and Empress here. So the death in reverse clarified in Ace of Pentacles, Empress. Yeah, definitely here's the thing, this has been over either for some time. You are committed to something else. I feel like you are very in your own power and you are feeling like I love myself more than anything else. Maybe you are in new relationship, so whoever you are with supports you and loves you as you are. So the fact that somebody would come back and try to disrupt something with this Tower card, there may be two potential options for you, which is the new one and the old one. Your ex is coming back to your life and you already moved with a new love who will support you and love. They see you doing well. They see you are very beautiful. They see you are very beautiful, very handsome, like everything that they wish. Definitely you are committed to something else. I feel like you are very in your own power with the Empress card and feeling like I love myself more than anything. Maybe you are in a relationship and so whoever you are with supports you and loves you as you are to them. So the fact that somebody would come back and try to disrupt something with you, maybe even that person has been stuck on you, even though you let it go and you are the person who they want to be with. They see you that you are doing well. They see you the very beautiful and very handsome, like everything that they wish for. Yeah, 10 of Swords and 3 of Swords here. Judgment. Definitely, your past person is come back to you. They could have had that if they were with you, but it could have been something so karmic with you that you two are not good for each other as well. It took a long time for you to get over this and you are not going back to any kind of karmic situation anymore. You are a different person now, so you are a stronger person and so you have so much love for yourself than you did when you were with this person. And you offered that love to right kind of people and person. Right, Taurus? That's all for this week. I hope it resonated to you very well. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Click the subscription button and hit the red bell icon right down below. So see you in the next week. Till then, bye and take care of yourself.